So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate fake Instagram chats for fun, for free. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for ZOOB. Just simply write this text without thinking anything, and here you need to click on this first website that appear right in front of you. Here you need to scroll down until you find this option which says create Instagram DM generator. Just simply tap over there and again tap on this option. Let's just skip the ad. And here you're gonna find this option where you can generate the chat you want. Here you can customize multiple settings, the profile picture, the username, and the text you want to send or receive. And once you are done, just simply hit save your chat, and your chat screenshot will be downloaded for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.